How to do split screen with two videos in CapCut. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to show you a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up, and we should be able to show two videos at the same time, side by side or top to bottom. So let's get started. So we can open up CapCut for that and go ahead and import our first video. We can tap on new video and export up a video first, or we can select up a video that we already have. And once you've opened up your timeline, what we can do is we can just go over and add the second video. So look out for the overlay option in the bottom menu and tap on it. And once tapped on it, select add overlay. And once the second video is selected, what we can do is we can just go over and adjust the video. So we can tap on the first video first and we can just go over and resize it or move it to one of the side. So we can just go over and do so. We can either resize it here or we can even crop it out. We have that option. First of all, let's select the second video, tap on adjust it, and we can just go over and adjust it. So let's go ahead and adjust it like this and place it in one side. This way. Same goes for another video as well. We can just go and zoom in and zoom out. We can just go over and go ahead and select it and place it like this. And that way we should be able to create a side-by-side video. We can drag it to the position left, right, top to bottom, etc. And we can also choose different layout option. Usually this is one of the methods available. If you have an option for effects or sticker, we can tap on effects or stickers and add lines or borders or use a different background color yet, and that will make split screen look more professional. Once it is done, we can start playing the video, and once the video is played, we can see the video being played side by side. You can use similar lighting in both of the clips for a better look and keep both of the videos same resolution if possible. And this is it. You can just go over and follow the simple layout. This is just an idea that you can use for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.